Hi guys, welcome to Be Beautethical. This is the first video of 2018. My name is Archana, and if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe and also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the future notifications. So since this is the first video of 2018, I thought why not start with my last purchase of 2017. This is the Sugar Build Your Own box. There was an offer going on at the end of December where Sugar Cosmetics was giving you purchases worth 2000 rupees at a discount of 50%, that is at 999 rupees. So I got this box. You could choose your own 3 things from their list. So let's just open this up and see what I've ordered. So I ordered one eyeshadow quad, and I ordered a lipstick, and I ordered their face kit consisting of a bronzer, blush and a highlighter. So I have completed my base makeup, I have filled in my brows. So I am just going to try out these products right here in this video. So this is going to be kind of a first impressions video as well. So there, the box is open and this is what is included in this. Okay, so they have a calendar, Sugar 2018 calendar. It's a very sleek and pretty calendar. I am surely going to use this. I'm going to keep it at my desk and I'm going to look at it every single day. Thank you Sugar Cosmetics for this. So this is what I got. Okay, so they gave me a sweet little pouch, and this, I love the packaging of Sugar Cosmetics. This is their eyeshadow quad in number 4 chandelier. So let's just open this. So there the box goes, and this is how it looks inside. So this is the eyeshadow quad that I ordered. Let me just remove the plastic. So they had options for other eyeshadow quads, but I found this extremely interesting and very pretty colors. So this is one. Then in this pouch, let's open it. Yes, that's the lipstick, and this is their Contour the Force face palette. This is in number 2 Vivid Victory. So there is a cardboard box. Again, the packaging is a little difficult to get it out. Yes. So this is their face palette. So let's just open it up. There is a mirror in it, and I just love small mirrors, because I can't find mine whenever I'm sitting down to do the makeup. I need a close-up mirror because I have numbered specs and I can't see from far distance. So this looks very pretty. Let's just open up the lipstick. I love the pouch also that they've given. It's a very cute and pretty pouch. I love the color. Thank you Sugar Cosmetics. And this is the lipstick. So sleek, huh? Very nice. This is their Plush matte lipstick in number 6 Little Bo Peach. That looks like a lovely shade. So I just immediately want to try these on. So I have completed my base makeup, I have filled in my eyebrows, I have not touched my eyes because I'm going to use this eyeshadow quad today, and for a contour, blush and highlight I'm going to use this palette today, and for lipstick I'm going to use this lipstick today. So let's get right into trying these on.
So I'm starting off with this orange color eyeshadow from the NYX Perfect Filter palette, and I'm just putting it into my crease a little bit, and I'm using this as a transition color. You can completely skip this step, but I just wanted to use it as it suits my skin tone really well. Then using the deepest shade from the Sugar eyeshadow quad, I am just applying it onto my outer corner. I'm really impressed with the eyeshadow. It's well pigmented, it is going on smoothly onto my lid, and it's blending really well onto my skin. And then I'm using this pretty pinkish shimmery shade, and I am going to apply this all over my lid. And then using the lightest shade from the palette, I am using it for the inner corner definition. This you can use it as a brow bone highlight, as an inner corner definition, and at a future date I would also like to use this as a highlight for my cheekbones and see how that works. And then I'm taking the same color and I'm applying it on to the inner 1/4 of my lower lash line. And then the last color in the palette, the bronzy shimmery color, I'm going to apply it on the rest of my lower lash line. So for this look today, I wanted to use all 4 colors and I have used all the 4 shades, and I'm really happy with all the 4 shades in the quad. As you can see, I'm really happy with the fact that there is a mirror in their face palette. So moving on to blush, the color is highly pigmented, and I have taken just the smallest amount because I did suspect that it is going to be extremely pigmented. So I have taken very tiny amount and I am just working with that. If anytime you do happen to take out a lot of product onto your brush, please ensure to take the excess out on the back of your hand or a dry tissue. Moving on to contour, I am using the same brush that I had used for blush. I have cleaned it on a dry tissue, and I generally use the same brush for blush, contour as well as highlight. I really like this shade. It complements my skin tone really well. In fact, all three, the blush, contour and highlight, are really pretty and really suit my skin tone. So I normally contour my cheekbones, my forehead and under my jawline. Once that is done, I am moving on to highlight with the same brush. This highlight has a slight bronze tinge in it. The Anastasia one that I normally use has a golden tinge in it. So this is a little different from the one that I normally use, but this is a really pretty highlight. I'm not sure if you can see the highlight, if the video is doing justice to the highlight, but it's a really pretty highlight.
So I'm done with the eyeshadow application and contour, highlight and blush application. You saw how smoothly the eyeshadows went on. These are beautiful shades. I just wanted a mirror here so that, for people like me who keep losing their mirrors, this would have been a really good thing, having a mirror in an eyeshadow quad. They do have a mirror in their face palette, which is really good. The blush is highly pigmented. You have to use literally a very tiny amount, otherwise you will really end up coloring your face the way you don't want to. And the highlight is beautiful, the bronzer is beautiful. Let's see how the lipstick is. So I have finished my eyes, I have applied my eyeliner and mascara. So this is the last step, the lipstick. So let's see how it is. That's a beautiful shade. That's a beautiful shade. This is actually a matte lipstick. I'm assuming that this will stay on for a long time. This is a really pretty shade and I love this lipstick. So for my first impressions on these products are really pretty. The eyeshadows are really pigmented. They went on really smoothly. They blended beautifully onto the skin. I will just swatch these on my hand so that you can see here. So that's like really pigmented. All of them are shiny, shimmery eyeshadows. They are not glittery, they don't have specks of glitter in them, but they don't have any fallout as well. The shiny eyeshadows are really pigmented. You don't even need to wet your brush. If you want more pigment out of these, you can definitely go ahead and wet your brush. But these are some beautiful colors. They don't have any matte eyeshadow in this. So if you want a matte eyeshadow for transition or for your crease definition or outer corner definition, you will have to look at some other palette or some individual eyeshadows for that purpose. But I love these eyeshadows. These went on beautifully. And for the contour palette, they have a mirror here, which is really good for me because I keep using my mirrors, as I said earlier, and this really helps. The packaging is again a cardboard on the outside. It looks really pretty, although the packaging is cardboard. I actually love the fact that it is cardboard because you know you can really carry it around. It's really lightweight, and the colors are pretty. The colors are really pretty. The blush is highly pigmented. Please be careful if you are applying this for the first time without testing it out. So take very tiny amount, but the color really complements my skin tone. So I'm really happy with the blush, I'm happy with the contour, and I'm also happy with the highlight. The highlight is really pretty. I don't know if you can see the highlight here in the video, but this is really pretty. And you saw the lipstick. Lipstick looks really pretty. So all in all, I am extremely happy with my last purchase of 2017, which I am testing out in my first video of 2018. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Do give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cruelty-free videos. And I have a lot of review videos lined up for you. Some may be old products, some may be new products, but I decided to go ahead and review them on my channel because I will be using them for the first time, and I'm sure there are a lot of you who will be using those products for the first time after my review. So thank you so much for being here and watching this entire video. Thank you to all my subscribers and viewers, and I will see you again soon with another cruelty-free video. Bye! So I just popped in to show you that my lipstick still holds. It's been 2 hours and I have just finished my lunch. The lipstick has not moved. I'm really loving this lipstick. It has just gone from the inside of my mouth a little bit, but you can see that it is still intact. So this was not planned. I just thought I will let you guys know that this lipstick holds up even after meals. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you soon. Bye bye.